Question number 10. Here I can see a graph as well as the shading. Okay. So, yeah, this is x-axis and y-axis. And there is a line which is parallel to x-axis. Okay. So, this is a line which is parallel to x-axis. And this is the shaded part. Okay. Let's first understand the graph, right? Then let's see the options first. The shaded region shown in the graph represent all the solutions to which inequality. So we have to check the inequality. Now let's come back to the graph. Whenever, whenever a line is parallel to x-axis, right? So if you check that line, y value is same everywhere, right? What is changing? Only x value. So whenever you have the same y value, you will find a line which is parallel to x-axis, and that line will have equation y is equal to that number, whatever that number is. And here that number is 36 approximately. So y is equal to 36. I'm not talking about inequality. Right now, I'm just explaining the concept. Okay. Second point. If this line is a solid line, for example, here in this case, we include this value. But if you see this line as the dotted line, you will not use y is equal to 36. That means y is equal to 36 is not included, right? So because here it is a solid line, y is equal to 36 is also a part of the inequality. Now, every other value is greater than this, right? Greater than 36. So, y has to be greater than 36. Now, these two equations, one is equation and one is inequation, these both are satisfying due to solid line. So that is y is greater than or equal to 36, right? This is how we do these kind of questions. So, okay, D is the right option. Now, let me show you the other option also. For example, let's draw a line which is parallel to y-axis this time. This is the line. Because here we are meant to do the concepts instead of questions. So now this time, this line is parallel to y-axis. So what is fixed? Value of x is fixed, right? X is always 5. Y is changing. Y is changing. Here it is 15, here it is 20, here it is 25. So x is equal to 5 is the equation of the line, right? And if I shade it here on the left hand side, so I can see that every value which is less than 5 is satisfying it, right? Okay, let's do one more thing. This time let's draw it dotted line like this. So definitely this is the line, but because it is dotted, so x is equal to 5 is not included in this line. Now let's say this particular part is shaded, right? So what this part is telling us? This is telling us that x is less than 5 every single time. So I will say x is less than 5. If I say x is less than or equal to 5, that will not be true because here the line is dotted, right? Okay, I think the whole concept is clear.